In this video, I'll show you how to create a pre-filled Google Forms that you can share with other people. Okay, so what does a pre-filled form actually mean? Well, in simple terms, it's just a form where it's already pre-filled and you've essentially shown examples of how you want people to fill out your form. You can do this on any form and it is very easy. So by default, once you're on Google Forms, you can go ahead and click on any form you want to get a pre-filled link for. And then if you go to the top right hand corner, you can go ahead and click on get pre-filled link. That will open up your form in a new window. And what you have to do is fill in the responses and then click get link. So I'm going to put name, I'm just going to put Steve, and you can essentially fill this however you want, but I'm going to use examples. So I'll just fill out this here. So this is how I've filled out the form. We can then click get link. And now once we go ahead and copy this link, this form will now be pre-filled and anyone that goes to it will be able to see the pre-filled text. So that's how you can do it. I hope that helped.